Sorry. I'm done. Hey. So come and eat your food so you can take your medicine.
This is one. No, ma.
Sorry.
Thank you. And it's very delicious.
All for you, Mama.
Thank you.
I just want you to eat it, take your medication before your children return. I don't want them to come back and meet you like this. I don't want it.
I will. Oh. What will I happen without you?
Amen.
Amen.
Oh, so this is where you are. Instead of preparing food for myself and your younger brother who just came from the farm. Really? So this is what you have become?
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm coming home to do that. She's not feeling very well and she's the only one at home. Her children went to the farm, please.
How is that my business?
No, Biko, it is right. It is my fault. I asked her to come and assist me. Biko, don't be angry.
Please, Papa.
Woman, stay out of this. Stay out of this. How can you be talking to me? Who are you? Oh, you are your son. I don't know what you gave to my daughter that has made her lose her sanity. But let me tell you. No, look at her. She has lost every sense of belonging. How can somebody that is normal leave her house in the morning without preparing food in her house or came to a stranger's place? Is it normal? But whatever it is you have given to her, I will beat it out of her eyes. I promise you that.
Oh my little.
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Sit.
Has it been long you returned from the farm?
Yes. And I saw the fantastic, awesome jollof rice you prepared for my mom. And you know, my mother told me how you took care of her. Nne, thank you so much.
It's nothing. She's also my mother. I felt very bad when I walked in here and found out that she was sick. So I did what I could do to make her feel better.
Thank you.
How is she now?
She's fine. Oh, thanks to you. You did the magic. That reminds me. Amara told me what your father did to my mother. Why will your father do a thing like that now? It's not fair. You see, I felt...
Sorry, Obi. I'm so sorry. My father didn't mean to. The fault was mine. I did not make anything for him to eat and my younger brother before coming here. So when they came back from the farm, they didn't find anything to eat. That was the anger he bounced on your mother. But to be honest with you, he's deeply sorry. He later regretted everything he said. Once again, I apologize on his behalf. I'm sorry, Obi.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I forgive him. But it's because of you. No, it's okay. But you know I don't joke with my mother. That's
I don't joke with her either. I don't. I love Mama.
I know. I love you too.
Okay, let's play Ludo. I'll give you 10-0.
I'm making out. Bring you Ludo. 6-0. I'll give you back to back.
Wait! It's good I met you here. Amarachi, what would it profit you if Okechukwu should dislike my father?
I don't understand.
How will you understand? You will not obviously understand because you are dumb. Please don't even give me that serpent pretense. You went and told Okechukwu that my father hit his mother. Why would you do that? What do you intend to achieve in doing that?
Look at this one, though. Who cares what transpired between you and Oke? Do you think I noticed your existence?
No, you don't. It's very, very glaring you don't notice my existence. But you go about talking about me. Why would you do that? Am I the only girl in this village?
Have you lost your sanity? You won't talk.
Ugochi, just keep deceiving yourself. You hear me? Do you think Ogechukwu will choose you over some other Polish guests out there? Wait until he meets one and see how he will throw you away like the garbage you are.
Yes, I accept, Amarachi, I am a garbage. Yet he chose me amongst all the maidens in this village. That means I'm better than all of you. And let me warn you for the very last time. If you dare intrude in my affairs, I swear, the kind of slap I will give to you. You see this, your eardrum? Your eardrum, it will receive a lot.
You will not do anything.
I will not do what?
Hey,
what I will not do? Look at this.
Hey.
What are you doing
Papa.
here? Are you supposed to be here?
Papa. Papa, leave me alone now. Leave me alone now. What have I done to you now? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me. Ah! Ah!
What is it?
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Somebody!
Hey, Papa, what is going on? What is the update? What is the doctor saying?
In fact, I don't know. I've not seen the doctor yet. In fact, I was just preparing to go to the hospital now.
They say that one of the nurses said that one of the eyes.
He called it one name like this.
Is it retina?
Retina, whatever. I don't know. I'm not too sure what because they or the nurse are even talking about. The only thing is I understood is that because they said that one of the eyes has to be replaced and somebody has to donate eye for it. And as I'm seeing everything now, whether the father or Gozie are prepared to donate their eyes to replace my daughter's eye.
I am an old man. My eyes cannot match her own.
It is better that you know that I'm an old man. Who told you? Have you seen the doctor? Did the doctor tell you? You go and donate your eyes first. Let the doctor say
that an old man's eyes cannot.
It's not true. It's not true. Go and meet the doctor first. What are you talking about? Well, you know the one that is portraying yourself as the one that loves my daughter.
I love her. My daughter is a woman.
Donate your eyes.
You are a woman. She cannot be seen the eyes of a man.
I don't understand. What about your son? Not your son. Donate. Your son ran away.
My son is a man.
Hey!
Woman,
off your. It's now. Before I will say word to my daughter, both of you will say 10. You love her most. Go and donate your eyes.
Let her be seen with the eyes of a woman. You have to donate.
Go and donate your eyes. Go and see the doctor.
Since I would have donated.
They will remove all of your eyes and give my daughter.
Mama, Ugochi is going blind.
How?
I don't know what kind of devil is this one. Some stupid boys, they were playing with catapult. They fired her eyes with stone. They rushed her to the hospital and the doctor confirmed that her retinas are damaged.
That's terrible. So what's the solution now?
Someone needs to donate one eye for her to be able to see again.
Her parents will see to that now.
That's the problem. You know, the doctor confirmed that her brother's own actually matches with her own.
It's good now.
But the boy refused to donate.
Please, I need help.
My daughter, I'm as confused as you are. I'm still waiting for the doctor.
No. Does it mean I'm going to go blind, Mama? Mama, I'm going to be blind. God, what have I done wrong? Where have I gone? How is that? Okay. Maria has promised I can't be with you anymore.
Stop talking like that. Why are you talking like that? No, just rest.
I'm telling you that because that's what the doctor said. He said that I cannot be able to see.
No, I reject it. You see, everything will be fine. I know you'll be okay. Nothing will happen. Stop talking like that. There must definitely be a way out. Just relax.
There's no way out. You're telling me this because you don't want me to be your man. Just go ahead and live your life. Get married to another woman. I don't want to be a pest.
Oh God, stop talking like that, please. You will be alright. Listen, instead of you to go blind, I am ready to give you one of my eyes. Yes, I'll give you.
No, can't do that.
Listen, I will do everything for you. I will do anything for you. Just trust me. You'll be fine. Just calm down. Just wait. Doctor, please. I want you to run an operation right now. Take one of my eye and give it to her. I don't mind. Don't be laughing, Matt. I am serious.
It's not possible, your man. It's not possible.
What do you mean it's not possible? I can't watch her go blind. She's my love. She means everything to me. Just take one of my eye and give it to her, please.
I know. But it's not possible.
Just see.
From the last test we carried out, there's a development here. There's a development.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say? That there's a possibility that she can see?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. From what I'm saying here, yes, it's possible.
Hey. Okay, the doctor. Hey, he said there's hope. You see, there's hope. Listen, even if it doesn't work, I'll give you my eyes. Don't worry at all.
It's okay. You will see my daughter. You will need to bring her to her own eyes.
Calm down, Calm down.
Long time.
Yes, so
how are you?
I'm fine.
How's your brother?
My brother is fine.
What of Mama?
Mama is fine.
What of your brother's blind girlfriend?
I'm Ebo. And who told you she's blind?
Everybody knows.
For your information, she has been discharged from the hospital today and she can see perfectly. I can see you don't have any other thing to say.
I came to look for you and I met Mama alone, so I decided to assist her. Welcome.
Yeah, that's very nice of you.
Assisting me here just to make sure that there's enough food for me.
So you actually fill these cans? Yeah. You know, that was actually one of my plans. I was planning to do it. You know, I told you I have many plans.
I suspected you would be very tired when you come back, so I just decided to ease the stress of you.
You're a good man, though.
Thank you.
My son,
Hey.
You have just removed them of all the bodies of goodies and all these things. Then thank you again because you helped us renew one of his plans.
That reminds me, Papa, I want to use this opportunity to say I'm sorry for what happened the other day. I didn't know that Ugochi actually left her chores and came to my house. Please, forgive me, it won't happen again.
First of all, you
Sorry, it was an oversight. Sorry.
It's okay. I don't have any problem with your relationship. The only thing I stand against is misplaced priorities.
Yeah.
As a young man, you must always get your priorities right. One should always have priorities in life. Do you understand? Get them right. Do the right thing at the right time.
That's true. You're right. Thank you, Papa, for your kind words. I'll apply caution. Alright, everybody, I need to be on my way now.
Yes, Obi, my mother is right. Stay and eat with us.
I would have loved to, but I know they'll be looking for me in the house. I didn't tell my mother I would stay.
Yeah, it's a good one. You know they'll be looking for him.
Next time I'll eat.
Okay.
Well, let me see him up.
Okay. Well, thank you,
Don't hold her like you are paid.
Papa now!
He has not paid.
Finish this thing now. You didn't finish the...
No, it's Simaloka.
It's one of your plans. You should go and do it.
It's one of your plans. Go and continue now. Go and continue.
Please.
You can have the... Or what I done?
Yeah. My love. Okay, at this point, I need you to go back. Listen, I know you are tired, hungry, and exhausted. You've tried. Just go back home.
I am tired, but I still want to spend more time with you.
Me too. But I'm seeing you later this evening.
Is that a promise?
Yes, and I won't fail. Listen, our usual spot.
Oh, I love that place. Please do not disappoint me.
I won't, baby.
I love you.
I love you so. I love you too. Listen, you mean everything to me. You're the best gift that I have ever received in my life.
Oh.
Your happiness is my happiness.
Thank you so much. Thank you for loving me the way you do. I love you so much. And tell me, nothing will ever come between us.
Nothing. Okay. Nothing will come between us.
Wait.
Take care of yourself. Alright. Now, go back home.
Go back.
Alright.
We unbreakable. This love is beautiful.
Okay, I heard everything you said. I heard every bit of it. Every bit of it, I heard it.
Yes. I am not hiding it.
Yeah.
That young man is not bad after all. I'm not hiding it.
Listen, don't misunderstand me. I don't have anything against Okechukwu. Okechukwu is a fine young gentleman. Every sane man will want to have him as his son-in-law. But the worry that I have where he is the unemployment status that he has. If he has to marry my daughter tomorrow, then he needs to first of all discover himself. Discover himself in a way that he will first of all leave this village. When he leaves the village, he will go to the city and look for a white-collar job so that he can be a responsible man and have enough money to take care of a wife he will marry. Who would want to have a useless boy as a son-in-law? I'm sure you will not like it.
To feel what? Like
Poverty
it.
will never be a continuity in my home.
Yeah.
You want to go and become a mother-in-law to somebody who is so jobless.
To feel what? Take get jobless. Ana me kweku an matafu. It's so I'm more afu. Papa, you are right. You are right. See, my sister is beautiful. She's beautiful and she's educated.
I spent a lot of money on her.
Yes. Huh? You leave me and you went and train her. No, she need a rich man so that she can change our family. Nata.
What is wrong with you? Are you not a man? Is there anything wrong with your own hands? That you cannot go to the city, make enough money, bring it back home, and alleviate this family out of poverty and into a greater height, like you said.
So, Ogade, you are now encouraging our daughter to marry a poor man.
Nothing to that.
I know that's what it is.
Now, please, you must hear my own side of the story. It's not that I am encouraging my daughter into anything, but I know that what I want for my daughter is good. Eh? I married you a poor man, and I am happy with you. I am happy, very happy with you. See, all that matters in this life is happiness. It is priceless. Eh? is a hard-working young man. I know with time he will make it. He will turn everything around. With the kind of love he shares with my daughter, the kind of love both of them have for each other, there's no height they will not attain. Let's give them a chance to succeed in what they're doing. Okay, we will succeed. Okay, we will succeed.
Mama, Emokwanya?
Monkey.
Huh? Papa? How long can you queen? If it's all about love and being happy, can you know my boy he rich like other people? Enough on those, huh? You know, why not you elevate our this poor family to the city? Huh? Now, when I come here, do you know my plan? Do you know what I'm planning? Huh?
Look at you.
Do you know my planning?
They're looking for another young man.
Am I not planning? Am I not planning?
Oh, you shouldn't defend him. Oh, you're defending him. Look at your own son. Let him marry our daughter. Let him start doing something. What is your daughter?
See, Kangwaro, if you're not planning, when not planning village, don't worry if you can fear now. If you're not planning.
I'm sorry. Do I know you from somewhere? Okay, my name is Lucy. Okay, right?
Okay, yes, that's my name.
Okay.
Lucy!
Okay, how are you?
Lucy! What are you doing here?
I came to see my grandma.
I mean, you're from this town?
Mm-hmm.
This is my village now.
This is my village now. My grandma lives just down there.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're the first person I see to see you.
You too.
Hey, we're back.
I think we need to talk. And it's very important.
No. Let's go.
Please.
We'll see. I don't know.
Oh no, just get inside, please. Like I'm your mate before.
Listen, you're looking good though.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are bully.
What do you mean?
This life is a teacher. What did we This life is a teacher. This life is a teacher. You can eat your cake, yet you want to have it. You want to have it.
Wow. Lucy happens to be my schoolmate back then in school.
Yes. You never mentioned anything about her.
But ma, that's because I never knew she's from this town. I just met her a few hours ago. Yes.
No. Thank you, Mama. It's true, Mama. We were friends in school, but we were not that close. But we are close now. Mama, you raised a very, very good boy. I am so flattered. Thank you very much. Please, can we go inside? Let me offer you something.
Mama, no. She's actually rushing to somewhere very important. You know, she was supposed to just drop me and leave, but I said no. Since you are here, let's just say hi to you people. Already? But I am sure she will come next time.
Of course. Okay. You're always welcome to my house.
Yes.
Thank you, Ma. Mama, I have something for you. I forgot to buy bread, so I want you people to manage this. This is 50,000. Yes, Mama. All this. Yes, ma'am.
For me?
Yes, ma'am.
Nemdalo.
Thank you, Auntie Lucy.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
Keep this one.
Ifeoma, you're so cute.
Thank you.
Enough of all that flattery right now. Let us talk about this bread. Me too, I can eat bread. I like bread. This one is for Mama and they do it for me. It's okay. It's okay.
Come again, own them.
Mama,
come again.
She will come again.
Hey, you mean she's from the Obizi's family? That's wealthy family.
Yes. I mean, if you look at her, you will know. Money is written all over her.
Indeed. My son, indeed. You could imagine how she just dished out 50,000 naira
Just
and
like
gave to
that.
me.
It's not easy.
I can't remember the last time I handled such an amount of money. Hey! You think I do mania?
It's not
But my son, where and how did you meet such a girl?
Yes, it was way back in school. I was in my first year and she was in her finals, you know, and we became friends. We had something going on. But then again, I lost contact when she was writing her final year exams. But it's a small world.
Hey,
Yes.
she looks quite a good girl though.
Yeah.
And she must have really liked you.
You then the fast forward.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My son.
Well,
This girl, she's really into you. Like she rightly said, she likes you. I hope you're not trying to compromise the affection you have for Gochi.
Mama, yeah. Are you joking or what? No, all those things she was just doing, just trying to display the good girl in her, and that's all. That's nothing. She's good, but my Ogochi is no, that's it.
You know what I'm saying?
No, but leave it like that. Leave it like that.
Tread with caution.
Sure.
Anyage. Cha.
Yeah. This short engine. Paul. Don't they carry woman the conjoint? Huh? Your mama knows say you come here. You see this money where you get for your papa shop every day.
I'm really sorry for what happened in the past, and I'm sorry I didn't appreciate your good gestures then.
You see, I really understood everything back then. I mean, you were in a relationship, you loved him so much, you guys were so into each other, and what's that name again? Oh, Joe. Yeah. How is he?
I don't want to talk about him. That's an old chapter that's been closed in my life.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, I'm sorry. Yes.
And you?
You have a girlfriend?
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay. Do you love her?
That's an understatement. I love her so much. She means everything to me. Yes.
Okay, you know, this is one thing I really liked about you in school. I mean, how many men would agree that they have a girlfriend?
Well, we still have some good guys. I mean, people better than me that are out there. But it's okay. You say so.
So what are you doing about your unemployment? Are you still on your search?
Yes. The truth is I am tired. If I tell you the number of companies I have dropped my CV for the past 2 years, you will not believe me. It's crazy. You know, even the ones I called my friends that I was hoping that they could help, but they all failed.
I know. Friends fail. You know, especially people you trust. It's so unfortunate. You know, my father has a lot of companies.
I know.
And guess what? I've been promoted to the MD of one of his textile companies.
Oh, that's good news. I'm happy for you.
I know. So, I'm willing to give you a job.
You can give me a job? Are you serious? Ah, Lucy, that would be the greatest news I've heard in recent time. Please, I really need this job. You don't know what will happen to me if you give me this job, please. Eh? I will appreciate it. Ah, God, thank you.
On a condition.
Condition? What condition? I have seen a lot of things. Just name it, say it. I am ready to do anything.
That you end it with your lover and pledge your heart with me.
Coach.
Okay.
See here.
I'll worry packet.
Have you seen Okechukwu since morning?
Of course not. I told you I've been expecting him since yesterday. Why do you ask?
You see? Because he has been with another girl since yesterday night. That is why you have not seen him. Huh?
What nonsense are you talking about? Eh? Maybe you have started. You have started up here?
Okochi, I don't understand. Why are you always classifying the fact you did not know about Okechukwu as nonsense? I'm telling you what is on ground.
That's because you're not making any sense. You're not making any points. How can you tell me that my own Okechukwu is with another woman? What is wrong with you?
I'm not making sense.
You know that's impossible. It's impossible. So how was Namia?
So you don't believe your brother, Bi? Okechukwu na egbori. I'm talking nonsense. I'm telling you this because you're my sister. If you don't believe me, go and find out for yourself.
Agozi, are you alright? Are you balanced at all? Can you let me be?
Okay, no problem. Do you know what you will do now? Go and find out yourself. Go and find out if you want to egbori. If you want to egbori. Go and find out now. Why I'm telling you this now because you're my brother, you're my sister. So that Okechukwu is deceiving you. Open your eyes, though.
Hey! Nata! Hey! Welcome! My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, I brought your son back for you. I told you he'll be very safe. See him now, he's looking very good, right?
Thank you, my daughter. I knew you would bring him back safe and sound because you will take care of him very well for me.
Hello.
Now that you're here, let me cook for you. And this time, don't turn me down, fine?
Mama, I will not. At least when I leave the village in 2 days, I will have something to remember. Your food.
Hey!
I need to see my grandmother. Besides, I'm a very busy woman. Yes, ma.
Hey, talking about work, I don't know if my son here briefed you about his unemployment situation.
Mama, do not worry about that anymore. I will take care of it. I've already told him he'll be working with me and one of my father's company.
What?
Yes. Already? Yes, thank you, ma. You're welcome. How are you? Hope there's no problem. Is there a problem?
I'll be back. No problem.
okay.
It's alright. It's fine. Let's go inside. Oh?
Hope it's fine.
No problem.
That's okay.
Yes, it's alright. It's alright. Come.
What about your brother? I mean, has he told you the reason why he hasn't come to the city to accept the job?
I fear he might lose the job.
Why?
Because he told us the condition he attached to it.
Okay, so that means he has made up his mind then.
Not really, Auntie Lucy. To be honest with you, my brother loves Ugochi so much. They've come a very long way and they have their history together. They are so attached to each other, they are inseparable. And my brother, I know, can never compromise his affection for Ugochi. He does one girl at a time.
Can you vouch for this Ugochi the way you're vouching for your brother?
Yes, I can.
We are women, we know what we do, you know, right?
No, not Ugochi. My brother loves her so much, and I can confidently tell you she loves him more. But Auntie Lucy, isn't it possible? I mean, can't you offer my brother the job without getting what you want from him? He needs the job more than anything. We need it. My family wants him to get a job so he can take care of us. I should be in school by now, but there's no money for that. Can't you at least do this for my mom and I?
You're making this look like I don't want to give him the job because of this. No. I also have a history with him. We went to the same higher institution. When I was in my final year, he was a fresher then. And the first time we met, made a very wonderful impact. Yes, I had a relationship then and I treated him with disdain. And I am very sorry for that. I loved your brother. But I had a relationship then and that was all that mattered to me. No other man mattered to me, not even your brother.
So what about him now?
Honestly, I don't want to talk about that. We had a very, very painful experience together. I love your brother. Sincerely, I do. It's not about my money, it's not about my wealth, it's not about anything or my family name or anything, but I love your brother. I respect him so much. He's the kind of man I want to live my life with. Like,
it's okay, Auntie Lucy.
No.
Come on.
Lucy was here earlier. She said she came to check. I know whether you've made your decision.
I have made my decision and I made it known to her already now. Nothing can change my mind. Eh? Since she's giving me that job with condition, I cannot leave the one I love. I told her already. Why is she coming here to ask again?
My son, Lucy feels something very strong for you. I can see it in her eyes. She said it would be difficult for her to employ you and set her eyes on you every day when you are not her man. That does not make her a bad girl. That doesn't make her selfish. She's been a woman. Only a woman.
Okay. So, Mom, what are you implying? I mean, what are you trying to say? That I should leave the one I love for her because of that job? Is that what you're saying?
No, my son. That is not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is I stand by you. Your decision is my decision.
Ma'am.
All I want is your happiness.
Mama, that happiness is with Ugochi and nothing would jeopardize it. Trust me.
Then it's settled.
Aha.
Oh?
It's alright, Mama.
Okay, I'll be leaving for the city in a few days. I want to know your decision. Like, what do you think?
I want the job, yes. But the truth is, I cannot leave Ugochi for anything. Ugochi is a part of me now, and I don't have a life without her, and I mean it.
Okay, that's your decision then.
See, I don't know why you don't want to give me this job. I really need this job. But the truth is, I cannot do that to Ugochi. We have come a long way. She means everything to me, and we love ourselves so much. We have good history together. Please, try and understand.
I do. Okay. It's just so painful you just cannot see through my heart. And it's more painful that you don't know I truly love you. At some point in my life, I just couldn't do anything without you. I had to go to the social media to search for you. That wasn't funny. Okay, don't take it like I'm maybe using this as leverage into luring you to love me. That's not true. I just can't stand you, as in seeing you loving another woman. It's not possible. Okay. When I get back to the city, I'll ask any of my father's friends. If they have any vacancy, I'll get back to you.
Promise? Thank you so much. I'll appreciate it.
I love you for your honesty, and please remain faithful to your woman and take good care of her.
Thank you.
Don't even come close to me. Don't!
Ugo, I am sorry. But trust me, she has left the village for good. She has gone. Listen, I think you misunderstood me. I don't have anything with her. Why am I stupid? Why will I leave you for... I mean, it's not normal. I can't leave you for anybody. Listen, I really love you. Please, just try and understand me, please.
You know why I did that?
No.
Because that is what you were expected to do when she kissed you. My love, I'm so sorry for not trusting you. I was just being oversensitive. You know I love you so much. Please, you have to promise me you will never accept any job offer from her. Your own job will come and you will have it. God will do it for us, okay?
Alright, I promise you. Let her just go with her troubles.
I love you.
I love you too.
Trust you.
Yeah, we'll find now, right?
Yeah, we'll find.
I got it, follow.
What? What? The big masquerade has visited me. Owaka, I hope I am safe.
Of course you are safe. But what do you expect? I have been waiting to hear from you for a very long time now. Well, since Mohammed has refused to go to the mountain, it has to be the other way around. That is why I'm here.
Dikora, I'm sorry about that. But you didn't hear from me because I've been working on that.
For how long, Ichiodoka? See, whatever you are doing, you have to speed it up because I don't have all the time.
I've said I'm sorry. Anyway, I have made the inquiries and one. So.
Oh, sorry. Who is that beautiful lady?
That's Ugochi, my daughter.
You don't say. You mean that beautiful girl is your daughter?
Yes.
That's your little girl that I used to know?
It's the same girl, no? You know, children of nowadays, they grow very, very fast. In Igbo, we say, okay, Basia, Ochelibi. When a man has finished growing, he will wait for the other ones to also grow up to his level.
She's very beautiful.
I know she takes after her father. Anyway, as I was saying,
Ichiodoka, to be honest with you, since I lost my wife, I had resolved never to get married again, despite the fact that I have no child. For the day I set my eyes on your daughter, all that changed, yes. I mean, no woman, not even my late wife, has made me feel that way. Yes, Ichiodoka, I think I like your daughter to the extent of marrying her. And I cannot hide it. That is why I have come to officially make it known to you.
Dikora.
Yes?
I've not said that what you said is not good. But are we talking about Ugochi, my daughter? Because that's my daughter that you saw.
It's your daughter I am talking about. Why are you trying to sound as though it is something impossible? Or wouldn't you want me to marry your daughter?
No, it's not that. It's because it is the least thing that I ever expected from you. Anyway, who will not want to have somebody like you as a son-in-law? Why not? But you know that it is not my decision to make. It is the girl in question that has to decide whether she can marry you or not.
She is your daughter. You can always influence her decision. You can always do that. Just imagine what it would mean you having me as your own son-in-law. I don't want to exaggerate what I can do. I can turn the fortunes of your family. Make your daughter understand this. I like her. I want her to be my wife.
Papa, are you serious? No. Don't tell me. Don't tell me you're joking. How can I joke about such a thing? Am I a child? Listen, Ubaka, the richest young man in this our community. The Omilora, Dikeh, Uchinye, one of this land, was to marry me. Papa! Hey! I feel like... Papa! I want to break this house! No. Come back, don't break it. Don't break down the house. Calm down. I told you, Papa. Wait until at least after they included all the marriage rights and the money is in the hands. Then you can pull it down because I am sure that Ogo will chew you. Hey! Chileke, I told you that I have plans. Even when I say I have plans, you don't know my plans. Do you know how many times I've been praying and fasting about this thing? I said, God, where are you? Come and answer our prayers. Come and answer our prayers. Now you see it. God, answer our prayers, Papa. Hey! Hey! Papa! Hey! You see? Why are you drinking Panadol for another person's money? Are you the one they want to marry? Even when they bring the money, is it your pocket to go on my own money? I'm the one who will collect the bride price. Anyway, you are not alone in this. Everybody is happy. I'm sure you're still alive. Hey! But you need to die. Hey! Papa! Hey! Papa! Hey, but Papa? There's a problem. What is it? Hey! Ugochi is the problem. Will she accept? Hey! Papa! That boy that call himself lover boy. That boy has eaten Ugochi's heart. If it's that one you are talking, that's not a problem. After all, they are no longer together. The boy has gone to find another woman. But who told you? They are together. They are still live together. I don't know how it happened, but what I know is that they are together. They have reconciled. Do you know that now? The love they have now, their love is even more stronger than before. I don't know. Mama, the boy, but listen, anyway, I know that to go to you will not be stupid enough to reject such a beautiful proposal from somebody like Obama. Papa, you talk to Gochi. If she does that, she will have me to contend with.
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Because come back.
Leave me alone.
I said, come back here. I'm not done talking to you. What's wrong with you? If you try working out on me again, I will kill you with my bare hands.
Papa, you will not kill me.
Oh, I will kill you because you are being very stupid.
Nah, you are taking this too far for my liking. Why are you shouting at my daughter?
I will do even worse than that. Why is she being so unreasonable? Why will you refuse a marriage proposal from someone like Obaka?
Papa, I will refuse whomever I want to refuse. You don't have right to choose my husband for me. It's my life. I have the right to live it the way I want. Mama, leave me. Mama, leave me. Leave me.
Has it gotten to that?
It has gotten more than that. Talk to your daughter, woman. Talk to your daughter. Let her come back to her senses. If not, she will die by my hands.
It has gotten further than that. No problem, Maya, because you know that by force. She doesn't want him, she doesn't want him. I have not seen a man insisting that her daughter will get married to a man she doesn't like. What kind of nonsense is this?
Dikeh, what can I offer you?
Well, I don't think I want anything. I just come to know the outcome of your discussion with your daughter. I want to know if she has finally accepted my proposal.
Dikeh, I think she will need more time to reflect on that. She barely knows you.
Why don't you tell him what I have said?
You get out of here. Who called you here? When men are discussing.
I am the topic of this discussion, for crying out loud, Papa. Fine. Let me make my point very clear to you, since my father has decided to mince words. I am not interested in your proposal, and I will never be. Please, kindly find someone else.
Can we try and be more civil here?
Excuse me? Civil, you said? Are you being civil? Proposing to a maiden behind her. Why go through my father? Or probably because you think you have so much money, you can get anything you want, right?
I am sorry if you misconstrue my good intent. I did that to drive home my good intentions. See, the reason I did not come directly to you is because I don't want your parents to think I am here to flirt with you. Exactly. The truth is, I want you to be my wife. And I am very sorry if you find my method offensive. Seriously, no harm is meant.
Well said. But please, 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 my heart has been bought by another. I am not interested in your proposal. Leave my father's house with your ill-gotten wealth. I'm not interested. Get out!
Because you now feel you are a big girl, you cannot talk to my parents anyhow.
N9, how could you? How could you lay your hands on my daughter because of her back? Oh my goodness.
Your daughter is lucky. I only made an attempt and she ran away. Next time, I will strangle her with my bare hands for displaying that kind of rubbish she did inside there.
You will not do such thing now. You cannot lay your hands on her because of Obaka. Ugochi is not interested in his proposal. Case closed. You should not kill my daughter for me because of Obaka. She doesn't want him. She's not interested. You should leave my daughter alone. Don't kill her for me.
Wait, Papa. Papa, wait. It's not even bitter. You only made an attempt. And she ran away. And she's still outside by this time. Why didn't you send me to go and look for her?
Do you know that when I look at you, I don't even know what to tell you? You can't even shut up for once when you don't have meaningful things to say. There's no time you have ever had anything reasonable to contribute in a discussion.
You don't know my plans.
Shut your mouth up! Shut up!
Because you don't know my
father,
plans.
like son.
Mama, because you don't know my plans. And I will not tell you my plans.
What I know is that she ran away and she's hiding somewhere. But I know that that place she's hiding cannot save her. It will not save her.
Papa, just permit me. Say my son, my only son, go. If Njechoibon was born now.
My only son. That's why you don't want to be useful to yourself. My only son, go. You don't have work to do. Nothing to do at all as a man.
This is not about him. What I'm saying is that if she tries that nonsense she tried again, I will strangle her.
Leave my daughter alone. Leave if you know that this house will contain both of us. Don't just lay your filthy hands on her. Because if you do, you will not kill her because she refused to marry Obaka. But she married the man she doesn't want to get married to. Because you want her. No, you won't kill her.
Go and make food.
Papa, can you imagine? Mama want me to tell her my plans. Why would I tell her my plans? Odogudikam, I cannot tell her my plans now. Don't worry. Papa, sorry.
Church. Every time you have plans, but you've never executed. Mr. Planner. Get out.
You return to your house after eating your food. Huh? She will bring food for you. By then your father's anger would have subsided.
Mama, I'm not going back to that house this night though. You don't know my father. He has completely lost it.
Ogo, you will. If not, you worsen his anger. Eh? Okay, don't worry. I will take you myself. Oh, no.
Mama, you won't understand. My father is a very stubborn man. He won't listen.
Huh? That's good.
You. So this is where you are. Oh, Auntie Lucky, they're even serving you food. Get up here and run home. I said run home.
I'm not going anywhere with you. Leave me alone.
You're not going.
Masudoka, just calm down. I have something to tell you.
Hey, hold it there, woman. I am the one who has something to tell you. If you love your son, tell him to leave my daughter alone. My daughter is already engaged to be married. If he makes the mistake of breaking her engagement, I will kill him. I will kill him. Tell him that. And as for you, if you love yourself and you love that boy, keep yourself away from him. Keep yourself away from him, because I'm going to kill him. Now, get up and go home. Get up. Come on.
Mama, leave me alone.
Come on.
Papa, don't put my down. Mama. Papa, leave me.
Come on.
Ugo, please just tell me it's not true. Listen, just tell me it's not true.
What are you talking about?
Tell me they are not trying to link you up with another man to get married to. Huh? No, please just tell me now.
That's not possible. You know I'm yours forever.
Yeah, I know. But is it true that Ubaka came here and asked for your hand in marriage and your father is persuading you to get married to him? Huh?
Yes.
Hey!
But you know, nobody can force me to marry anyone against my will.
Hey.
I cannot be forced into any marriage. I am not a domestic animal.
I know, but I am scared. Eh?
You don't have to be scared. I love you and I'm yours forever.
I know. But it's just that, you know...
You don't have to complain.
Hey! Come. Come, what are you doing here? Eh? Ugochi? You don't tell her say now, Nobaka get you now.
Agatha, what's wrong with you? Don't mind
Tell her,
No!
Tell her! Do you know, see, I for don't pursue you come on here now because you don't know my plans. Why I don't pursue you now because you don't know my plans? There they go. Tell her say you belong to Ubaka.
Agatha, respect yourself.
Tell her,
You're embarrassing my guests.
See, if Ubaka come here, do you know Ubaka? The richest man in this village. Better they don't know if Ubaka come here. See, Ubaka don't kill you. Ubaka don't kill you. Can you imagine? So you see your man come here. Because they had it, tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true. Your man stay there, they pack money. You don't have to tell me it's not true. Why I don't want to leave this village because you don't know my plans. I have plans. Come on here. Can you imagine?
Ifoma, are you that
back from the city and you brought such a news to him. What do you expect?
But Mama, he asked me.
Did he ask you for details? Eh? Are we for John, okay? All you should have said is the girl is fine. Now we don't even know where he has gone to.
Mama is back.
Mama, I need to pay Ugochi's bride price immediately.
What? Okay, what are you talking about?
Mama, you know what I am talking about. What I am telling you is what I need to do right now. Mama, I am about to lose the one I love to somebody else. Because somebody that is not in the same class with me at all. The only solution is to go and pay for a dowry right now.
Okay, Chuku. Did you secure the job you went to the city to look for?
No. But what does that have to do with what I am telling you now?
It has to do with it a whole lot. Okay, Chuku, you don't have money, you don't have job, and you want to start up a family. Is that what you want for your life?
Try.
If we...
Papa, this is not fair. I am about to lose this girl that I love. Eh? What do you want me to do? I'm losing the one I love. Oh.
Don't leave me. I love you, my baby. Don't you leave me. Ogamo, don't you leave me. I can't do without you. Don't leave me.
My daughter, welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Well done. I was made to understand that you insulted Mazio Baka 2 nights ago.
Papa, I did not insult him. Rather, he was the one that insulted me. Because he called my Okechukwu names. He said he's cursed. And I don't like that.
So you are not happy that the man said the simple truth?
The truth? Papa, please. What truth are you talking about?
It is obvious to me that you don't know anything about this young man that you said you like. And you are not even prepared to ask questions. Huh? Listen, for your information, that family, in fact, their entire lineage is cursed.
Papa!
This thing happened a long time ago. Old time ago. His great-great-great-great-grandfather killed his wife. We don't know whether it was for rituals or for sacrifice to the gods. We don't know. But what we know is that when the woman was dying, she laid a curse on him and his generations. And that is what is affecting their family. That's why their family is backward today. Or have you seen anybody progressing from that family?
Papa. Eh? Papa. Please stop making up stories simply because you do not like him. Stop!
You feel I am making up stories? Okay. Go out there and ask any elder in the village. Ask anyone. I'm not going to intervene. This is a sing-song in the village. Everybody knows that the family is cursed. That's why they're backward. You don't want to get yourself into that.
Papa, please. Papa, please. I don't want to hear that no more. I don't want to hear that. When one finger touches palm oil, it will rub on all the fingers. A word is enough for the wise. Obaka has come with his people to ask for your hand in marriage. And they brought all these things you are seeing and much more. It is for you to tell us whether to accept or not.
Before the step comes, somebody's head is gone.
Come on!
What did you do for me? You don't know my place.